Now, let's talk about one important topic about wrapper class, array list, autoboxing, unboxing, and value of method. So, in very simple word, I can make you understand what are these concepts. See here. So, we have a simple code. Here we have one array list created, and here I have written list dot add 5. So, what happens over here? Remember, Java automatically converts the primitive value 5 into an integer object. So, this is how we can write integer object, and this is called autoboxing. So what is autoboxing? Whenever Java automatically converts the primitive int value, that is 5 over here, into integer object, this is autoboxing. And what is the reverse one? Similarly, when retrieving values from collections, Java automatically converts the wrapper object back to primitive types, that is also known as unboxing. Now, in simple words, this is the classical example of array list, you can say. It is a classical example of autoboxing, you can say. And now I will tell you another example of value of method. So what is this value of method? Now, if you look at this particular programming, you will find that there is one value of method. So what is this method is all about? This particular line converts the primitive double value, that is 3.14, into its corresponding wrapper class double using the value of method. So what is the purpose of using value of method? Value of method basically converts primitive double value into corresponding wrapper class double. Now, in this code, we have an example of value of method. Now you can ask me that what is this code is all about. Now, if you look at this part, you will find that here there is a primitive double variable named primitive double is declared and assigned the value 3.14. And this line, particular this line, you can say that it converts the primitive double value 3.14 to its corresponding wrapper class value. So this is all about this particular programming. Now, if you ask me about this line, so the answer of this line is here a wrapper class double. See carefully. Here a wrapper class double variable named another wrapper double is declared and assigned the value 2.71. Now, by this line, what I am doing? This line converts the wrapper double value, see, that is 2.71, to a primitive double value using the double value method of the double class. So remember, this double value method is coming from the class that is double. And we know that if something starts with capital letter, generally in Java, it is a class name. So my point is very clear. This line converts the wrapper double value 2.71 to primitive double using double value method of the double class. The double value method returns the value of the double object as a primitive double. This thing you have to remember.